We are now going to be running Stochastic with 5-second close with our pocket option auto trader. We're going to take $700 trades and put a profit target of $3,000. If you find that interesting, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on so you never lose a video just like this one. Also, if you want this binary option robot for yourself that is completely for free, work on desktop and on cell phone, you find a link about the video at X and link below the video at YouTube. Now let's start up the bot and let's see what type of win rate we get in this video. So now let's start the bot. He will now start to collect all the information he needs from the chart. Afterwards he will start to collect all the information he needs from the indicator using Stochastic. So now he will start to look for a trade. Also, we have a pot up. If you're losing a trade, we have a 2.2 multiplier. We're using opposite direction with martingale. Opposite direction is something that I think is very safe, because sometimes the market can go much against us and instead we go in the same direction. Can be very scary, because then you can end up blowing your account because the market is going super strong and you're going in many times the same direction. So when you take opposite, is a safety measure, because then you need to be very unlucky if you're going to have a loss on a buy, loss on a sell, loss on a buy. Then it's a market that goes like this, and that is very rare. Typically the market goes often in one direction. So now you see we have got 4 trades in a row. We are getting very close to our profit target of $3,000, but I believe we will need 2 more trades if we win, of course. This one, it looks like a winner for me, but okay. Let's see, at least we got a winner there now. We have an 80% win rate, 83 actually. We will need 1 more trade. We have 5 winners, 1 loss. Amazing. So once again, if you want this binary option robot for yourself, find a link about the video at X and link below the video at YouTube. So now we have a cooldown. We are waiting for our last trade. Last trade in the case that we are winning, of course. So now let's see. He's now looking for the trade. He's doing a sell trade. Looks to be good for me. Actually we lost it, then he do a buy trade. To see opposite direction. In this case you see opposite direction make us a loss because the market is going sideways, you know. But we are now getting our sell trade and we are in, and here you can see $3,165, 67 win rate, and 6 wins, 3 losses. That is good in my book. So with that, have an amazing day and I'll see you on the next.